Welcome to our Cashback Rewards Guide. Did you know that you could be getting money back on your reflexology treatments? Health cashback plans can help cover everyday well-being treatments such as reflexology. It's simple. You enjoy your treatment, submit your receipt, and claim your money back straight into your account. Perfect if you already love reflexology or you're looking to have your first treatment. Check with your cashback provider whether they have any stipulations, such as your reflexologist must be a member of an association, such as the AOR. It couldn't be easier to find a reflexologist with the AOR. Simply log onto our website, scroll down to the Find a Reflexologist tab and click on it. Then scroll down to the search bar and enter your details. By entering your details here, this will then bring up all the reflexologists that are local to you in your area that are a member of the Association of Reflexologists.